Hello, my name is Mari Papabu. I'm a field application scientist for molecular devices, and in this video we will gonna cover the redesigned AutoSave functionality from SoftMax Pro. In the latest SoftMax Pro GxP version, new data security features were implemented. Now, new documents must be saved as a data document before data acquisition and are automatically saved after a measurement. To eliminate errors by the lab technician in the compliant area while saving the data document, predefine the file name and storage location by using the AutoSave feature. The AutoSave properties enables user with appropriate permission to define a default file name and/or storage location in the SQL databank. Autosaves reduce the likelihood of lost data, particularly when you choose to save protocols to corporate network file locations that are backed up on a regular basis. Additionally to the autosave, temporary data files are saved every 5 minutes to further reduce the likelihood of losing data. In order to access the autosave, you have to go into SoftMax Pro main menu. Select Autosave. In the Autosave Properties dialog, you can define to save your documents in a designated folder you have previously created for your data after each run. Autosave settings are saved with each document. Select Browse to indicate the folder in the SQL databank you would like to save your data in. Click OK. Select a file name. It can be the protocol's name, or you can define a name of your choice. Select the Append Date and Time to File Name checkbox to add the date and time after the document's name. If you select both checkboxes, the time follows the date. Now, click OK. You have enabled a new autosave with your protocol.